Double murder rocks Stair Town, St. Anne. Painter reported missing. Biker thanks quick acting cops after gunmen steal motorcycle. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 3 men were shot, 2 fatally, during a drive-by shooting at a bar in Damhead Square in Stair Town, St. Anne on Tuesday. The deceased are 27-year-old laborer Akeem Reed, alias Olderhead, and 39-year-old chef Javardo Whitlock, both of Stair Town in the parish. Reports are that about 10:50 p.m., the 3 men were standing at the entrance to the bar having drinks when a grey motor car with armed men drove up. The gunmen opened fire, hitting Reed, Whitlock, and the other man before fleeing the scene. The injured men were assisted to the hospital where Reed and Whitlock were pronounced dead and the other man was admitted. No motive has yet so far been established for the shooting incident. 42-year-old Samuel Thompson, a painter of Pedro District, St. Catherine, has been missing since Monday, August 28. He is of dark complexion, slim build, and about 196 centimeters, 6 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Spanish Town Police are that Thompson was last seen about 9:30 a.m. wearing a plaid shirt and a pair of blue jeans. The police did not say where he was last seen. However, all efforts to contact him have proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Samuel Thompson is asked to contact the Spanish Town Police at 876-984-2305, Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. One biker is singing the praises of the police in St. Elizabeth after gunmen pulled up on him early Tuesday while he was on his way to work and stole his motorcycle in Junction. The man, whose identity is being withheld, reported the matter, and the quick action of the police led to the recovery of his motorcycle and the seizure of the car the police believe the men were traveling in when they relieved him of the bike. The 2 motor vehicles were found at an under-construction property in Pedro Plains. However, no arrest was made.